What is up, guys? Today we are going to be playing some Subway Surfers. So first of all, let's go ahead and get started. Come on. Okay, so the point of this game is to try to run away from this stupid cop. Okay. Apparently I am not good at it. I haven't played this in a really long time. So let's try again. I have to beat this stupid score, but like, nothing's good about this. Are you kidding me? I keep going further every time, but like, why is it so laggy? I don't know why this is laggy, but we'll try. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. This is like really confusing. Stupid ad popped up. I'm getting really frustrated about this. Here, it keeps getting in my face. Okay, let's try me. I want to change my person. Just wanna rock you up. Wanna da 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 da. Who's that person? Noon? The person I really want to get is this person right here. Because I love that outfit. So, okay, let's try to play one more time. And if we don't pass it, then I'm done. So, okay, let's try to play one more time. This is really hard to play when you're not on a phone. Are you kidding me? Well, okay then, so I guess I am done because I'm going to rage. So, that is all for the day. Bye!